Hey guys, Ross here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have a very exciting unboxing video to share with you guys. Guess what? I just received this very lovely gift box from MER. Thank you so much. It's so unbelievable. Yeah, someone please pinch my face. Before we unbox it, I really need to talk about the tagline. I really like it. You see, MER source of strength. And I think it's a very short and sweet tagline, and it's so powerful. So I think it's all about finding the beauty in strength, and I think that's very inspiring. Okay, so let's unbox it now. Okay, ta-da! Wow. And there you go. This is the main lead, the new MER Concentrate serum, and I like how it is packaged in a very nice, delicate, beautiful jade bottle. You can see. And next we have this really useful, I would say, thermos. Let's remember to stay hydrated, you know, like make sure you drink enough water, because like staying hydrated is a vital part of taking good care of your skin. And these two cooling patches inside will be very useful for depuffing and cooling effect. You can just put it in the fridge and then you take it out and then you just put it on your eyes like for 10 minutes or like 15 minutes. Okay, so now let's bring back the focus to our MER New Concentrate. Its main ingredient contains essence from lime tree and sea kelp, which contain antioxidants that are helpful to reduce inflammation, which is the main cause that contributes to aging. And so after application, it will act as a barrier that shields your skin from pollutants such as UV light and also dust. And over time, your skin is strengthened against the outer environment, and that's when beauty found in strength. And that's pretty much for today's sharing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's feel the miracle and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next sharing. Bye.